In this video, I'm going to show you how to arrange YouTube TV channels in your guide to create a more personalized and organized viewing experience. Rearranging channels is simple and ensures your favorite networks are always at the top of the list. To get started, open the YouTube TV app or website and navigate to the Guide section, where all your channels are displayed. Hover over the channel you want to move, then click and hold the three-line icon, or drag handle, next to its name. Drag the channel up or down to rearrange it in your preferred order. For example, you can group sports networks, news channels, or entertainment stations together for easier access. If there are channels you don't watch often, you can hide them by clicking the three-dot menu next to the channel name and selecting Hide Channel. This helps declutter your guide while keeping it focused on what matters most to you. Remember, these changes only apply to your profile, so other users in your household won't be affected. Arranging your channels makes navigating YouTube TV faster and more enjoyable, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you to learn how to arrange YouTube TV channels, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.